Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got Caribbean Producers Jamaica. That's ticker symbol CPJ, trading in their shares. A purchase, a connected party buying up 185,002 shares or units on November 25th, 2020. Always a great sign to see, skin in the game, especially in the tourism sector right now, which has really been hurt by COVID-19, the pandemic. But to see a connected party or a director or an insider buying up some shares in that sector, that industry, in CPJ, a great sign to see on the tail end of 2020. Next up, we got Jamaican Teas Limited doing big things, coming out with lots of announcements. Their stock split, they had a booming year, fantastic earnings, and now we're seeing an interesting move here, a transfer of shares, a big one. It's a massive trade. A total of 21 million shares were issued to a director and a senior manager on November 30th, 2020 to close out November. The Palace Amusement here, really slammed for their June year-end 2020 audited results. Revenues slightly, falling to 919 million Jamaican dollars from 1.11 billion. So not too bad there compared to what it could have been. So clearly, the issue on the fall off in the fiscal, Q4 really hurt them because that would have been the April to the June 2020 period. The bottom line here, net loss 99 million Jamaican versus a 70 million profit, the year before, that's 2019. So we're talking about a swing here of 170 million Jamaican, a huge swing. There is a non-recurring item, which is good when you do your analysis, a non-recurring item of about 46.5 million Jamaican that was in the 2019 results. So the results are not as bad as it seems, but they've weathered the storm so far. They have that drive-in cinema that should generate some revenue, but probably not as much. We wait to see what the results are going forward. In overseas markets, Carnival Corporation coming up with some news. Again and again, we keep seeing this, canceling some cruises all the way to February of 2021. So unfortunate news there. That includes all from Miami and Texas. So the stock price still holding up. It seems like investors are saying, well, this will help them conserve some cash. So the stock price actually up 6-7% today, trading at 22 and change. Norwegian, another cruise line, also announced on Wednesday of this week all global operations cruises through to February 2021 and in some cases March. In big news also, Beyond Meat in overseas markets winning big, getting a Costco deal. They got into Costco late 2019 with their burgers, but now with the Beyond Meat meatballs, nationwide distribution at Costco. That's a plant-based meatballs at suggested retail price. They go on to say US dollars $9.99 for 2 dozen. So kudos, great news there for Beyond Burger, really getting into nationwide distribution with Costco and doing a great job. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.